Welcome to Binary Insight, your ultimate destination for mastering programming from the ground up. Whether you're taking your first steps into the world of coding or looking to conquer a new language, you're in the right place. My mission is simple yet powerful: to break down complex programming concepts into bite-sized, easily digestible lessons. I am here to guide you on your journey, making programming accessible to everyone. You might be wondering, why I use an AI-generated voice for our lessons? The answer is simple: clarity. I want to ensure that every lesson is crystal clear, free from any distractions or accents that might hinder your learning experience. My hope is that using an AI voice will guarantee that the language barrier is a thing of the past. Whether you're a complete novice or an experienced coder, my videos are tailored to meet you where you are. I hope to guide you step by step, building a strong foundation in programming that you can confidently build upon. Get ready for interactive coding exercises, real-world examples, and practical projects that'll cement your understanding. My goal is not just to teach you how to code, but to empower you to create, innovate, and bring your ideas to life. Join a vibrant community of learners from all around the world. Don't hesitate to ask questions, share your achievements, and connect with fellow coding enthusiasts. So, if you're excited to embark on this programming adventure, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Together, we'll unlock the world of programming, one line of code at a time. Binary Insight, where coding begins and boundaries fade.